Oh, hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. I know, we got another box from Gerber. Whoo, it is one of the new ones too, which I really do like these things. Today we're going to take a look at the Gerber Fastball Cleaver. And yes, as you can see, it's in 20 CB. Woo-hoo. But what I like about these new boxes from Gerber is they're always leaving you little messages on the inside. I really like that. Plus the fact it seems like they've stopped putting out all kinds of warnings about this state says materials in here could cause cancer. So thank you. Alright, so without much further ado, here she is in all of its glory. Now I went with the Coyote Brown on black coated blade because I really like the look of this thing. Now some of you may remember I did cover the Fastball before, and I really thought with that one that Gerber made a statement. If you'd like to see that video, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry blade I've ever brought to my channel. You're going to find the Gerber Fastball normal one in there. Alright, now it's got an overall length of about 7.25 inches. The blade is about 3 inches, and closed it's about 4.25. It has a minor weight to it of 2.89 ounces. No big deal. It's got a plain edge with a flat grind and that black wonderful coating on the top. It's not really traction coating, but it's the coating that they love to do out there to help prevent, corrosion resistance, help ward off stains, that kind of thing. I say a flat grind, sorry. And it is done, of course, well, in the cleaver style. The blade steel, of course, as I already told you, is CPM-20V. Great steel. It's going to take an edge, it's going to hold an edge for a while, and it probably shouldn't fail you for a little bit. And sharpening it isn't that hard. You've just got to know what you're doing. Not saying you don't, but you just got to know. All right, we do have a stainless steel black coated frame in there as well. We do have a liner lock. Now, what I like is it does have the Boss Tech from Gerber, which is kind of like CRKT's IKBS system. The Boss Tech is the balls of stainless steel. And flip her open. It just comes right out of there pretty nice and just locks right in, which I love. Now, the scales are aluminum Coyote Brown, but they call it flat sage aircraft grade aluminum. So you can take that for however you got to take it. So we do have the option for left hand, right hand carry, tip up or tip down. But there's for like the right hand side, but when you're going for left hand, yeah, not so much for up here, but still at least you can carry it. We do have a lanyard hole, and this one is made in Portland, Oregon. Gerber always seems to like to keep the high-end ones in-house. All right, let's start doing some cut tests. Now, if you're curious why I do these cut tests the way I do them, take a look right up here. You're going to see a card for why I do my cut tests. Pretty simple, right? All right, first up, heavy-duty stock paper. Yeah, I expected that. Okay, now let's see if we can get that little curly Q. I moved it too high. All right, the reason why I go for curly Qs is because anyone can take a blade and go sharp. But if you take it keep it at the right angle, move it slow, that's pretty much what should happen. That paper should curl back in on itself like that. It's going to show you really that there's no micro abrasions or any real problems on your blade. But as you can see, we do have some paper flakes, which kind of surprised me, but no big deal. Alright, paracord. This ought to be fun. Simple pull test. Went through. Little effort, but it went through. Now let's go for a slice. Not bad. And of course, a video would not be complete without Mr. Ratchet Strap. Can never forget him. I always feel like he's the star of my videos, I'm just a little sidekick. Alright, right through, no problem. Like we always do in the vids. Okay, I can see some ratchet strap on there, but not so much on the other side. So, no big deal. Okay. So, I did the homework on this guy. Oh, wait. Yep, see? There we go. Made in USA, Portland, Oregon. Alright, I did the homework on this guy on January 29th, 2021. I looked on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, this model is $144.99. It is Prime eligible with 1-day delivery. On Gerber, this model is $145 flat, and Blade HQ, it's $144.99. It has not been reviewed on Gerber or Blade HQ. It's only been reviewed 8 times for a 4.2 out of 5-star rating on Amazon. Now, the reason why I keep saying this one, I believe there's one out there with a blue scale and like a just stonewashy or satiny kind of finish. But I did like the coyote brown on the black. It really stood out to me. But we are at that all-important point of the video. You guys know. I want to know your, wait for it, questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything right down below in the comment section. Do you think this one's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I like it. It's fastly becoming one of my favorite everyday carry blades. It's currently pushing out the Sedulo because I need more information on that, and that Sedulo is a Gerber Private Reserve blade, but I'll get into that when I do its own video. Alright, now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very grateful that you're viewing this channel. I know we do things a little bit differently here, and hopefully you like my style. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below in the comments section, and let's see how we can change the course of history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. Guys, I know I'm asking a lot, but all this is free, okay? You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It'll bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out of the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Gerber Fastball Cleaver. Thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope all of you are being safe. I hope all of you are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the very next video.